Noise goes on and off, on and off. Alright, hello guys. Here's another project of my 2013 Toyota Sienna Limited Edition. This car now has a problem with the water pump. So today I'm going to be replacing the water pump. And this video will show you just the condition before and after replacement. It's going to be an intensive repair. So I'm not gonna post. I'm not going to record any steps to do the repair. There are a lot of videos online on YouTube that you can watch and see how to do it. I will post some links in the description. So in this video, I'm gonna just show you the bad condition of the water pump and condition before and after the repair is done. Let me turn on the van and I'll show you. So this car has 168,826 kilometers on it, and as you remember, I had to replace the rear differential bearing earlier, and that noise was gone. Then now I heard a different noise from the front of the car inside the engine compartment, and after some research, I found out that this is a common problem with the Toyota and Lexus V6 engine, and that is the bad water pump. So let me turn on the van, and see if this camera can pick up the noise from inside. I can hear it from inside here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it from the video. But anyway, let me pop up the hood and show you inside the engine compartment. Yeah, I wonder if you can hear that now. But yeah, it's getting worse. It's been a few weeks already. Try not to go long distance with this vehicle. So again, this is a prevention rather than wait for it to happen. So this is the noise that telling us that the water pump is going out eventually. So I'd rather replace it now before it breaks down, and we may get stranded in the middle of the road with the engine overheat. I'm going to try to get some light focus on that water pump pulley. So I got some parts from the dealer. So some coolants. I got 2 jugs for now. If I need to top up more, I'm gonna go get more. It's just the dealer just 5 minutes away from me. So I got this box. I got a new dry belt, and this is the water pump box. So it came with the the water pump itself and the gasket together. It came with two O-rings for the thermostat housing too, so that's perfect. So yeah, this repair is intensive. I don't know how long it will take me, but it's involving removing this right side engine mount and some engine mount bolt underneath, nuts underneath to jack up the engine to get some clearance to remove some of the bolts on this side, and left side tire, and of course the engine undercover. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get onto it, and I will show you the condition after the repair. I'll be back. Alright guys, it took me 6 hours. Finally I got it done. So here's the bad boys. So I ended up replacing the water pump and the idler pulley. Apparently it was making noise too, so I had to run to the dealership to get the replacement. So I replaced that and the water pump, and of course the belt too. So let's see, it's cracked already. So I bought a new one with a water pump anyway, just to replace it as well. But just want to show you. Yep. So all done after 6 hours. And there's some tricks I want to point out for you guys. I didn't see anyone mention on YouTube for those water pump replacement video. So this ground wire, do yourself a favor, remove this ground wire and this regulator, so it's out of the way, so you can have access to that bolt right there and working area. And yeah, of course it's connected. Somebody mentioned that on one of their replacement video. I just don't remember who did it, but I'll put his video in the description. Yeah, so remove this connector. Of course, before you do anything, remove the battery negative before you undo any electrical or working around the engine, just to be safe. All right, also guys, another trick I want to show you guys, that if you remove this bolt for the AC bracket over here and that bolt inside there, right there for the AC bracket, so you remove those two bolts, then you can you have a little bit of movement for the AC bracket, for the AC tube, so you can remove the engine mount and the pulley and the water pump pulley. That's just another tips I want to show you. Well, good luck. You want to do it? Start it now. I don't hear anything inside here. Let's go check outside. All right, mission accomplished. No more noise from the engine compartment. Problem: water pump and idler pulley. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.